Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my dear friend. First of all, I wish you a wonderful morning to all of you.
Great morning, Kanak.
Well, I am Kanak, the shining star of 7th Advanced Foundation at Sunrise Foundation School. Today I am here to give a speech on acidic, basic and neutral substances. In this speech, I will tell you about acids, base, neutral substances, neutralization and indicators. So let's get started. First, we will discuss about acids. Acids are the chemical substance which has sour taste and they give hydrogen ions, which H plus ions when dissolved in water. Now I will tell you about some names of acids. For example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, citric acid, lactic acid and tartaric acid. You were surprised to know that some of these acids are also present in our foods that we eat. So let me name you them. Lactic acid present in curd, oxalic acid present in spinach, tartaric acid present in turmeric and citrus acid present in citrus fruits like oranges, lemon, etc. Now I will tell you about the properties of acid. The first property of acids are that they are sour in taste. They are corrosive. That's why we don't store them in metal containers. Because when we store them in metal containers, they react with metal and they become the metal rusted and make it corrosive. Acids are used as a reagent in various works. Acid solution conducts electricity. Now I will tell you about the uses of acids. Acids are generally used as a reagent. Sulfuric acid is known as the king of chemicals due to its various purposes work in number of industries. Nitric acid is used to make explosives and fertilizers. Now I will tell you about what do all the acids have in common. All the acids generally made up of hydrogen ions and they give H plus ions when dissolved in water. But all the hydrogen containing compounds are not acids. For example, glucose. Glucose contains hydrogen but it doesn't produce H plus ions when dissolved in water, so it is not an acid. Moving on our next topic, which is base. Generally, bases are the substance which have bitter taste and poses a slippery touch. Now I will tell you about some bases like sodium, sodium bicarbonate, etc. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter in taste. Bases poses a slippery or soapy touch. Bases generally are used as a reagent. Bases have conducts electricity in the water solution only. Now uses of bases. Bases are generally used as a common reagent in various of industries. Milk of magnesia is used for getting us relief from the stomach pain. Calcium hydroxide is used for the whitewashing of the buildings. Now I will tell you about what do all the bases have in common. That's why they come in category of bases. Generally, all the bases produce OH negative ions, means hydroxyl groups or anions, which they give when they dissolve in water. Means we can shortly say that the substance which dissolve in water and give OH negative ions are the bases. Moving on our next substance, which is neutral. Neutral substances are those substances which are distilled, means they don't have any impurity. They don't give any coloring indicators. Now what are indicators? Indicators are the substances which are used to identify an acid or a base. These indicators are divided into two categories. First one, we can identify acid and base by smelling, and second by coloring. First we will understand by smelling. How we can smell them? Generally acids have strong smell while base have weak smell. Now by coloring. In coloring there are two types. First one by natural indicators and synthetic indicator. Natural indicator. The indicators which are found naturally. For example, litmus paper, turmeric, china rose, red rose, etc. Now let's understand their color order. First, litmus paper. It is present in two types. Blue litmus paper, red litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. It gives red color in acid solution and remains blue in basic solution. Same with red. Red gives blue color in acidic solution and red color in basic solution. So this is all from my side about acid, base and neutral and indicator.